Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I hand paint this hoodie. These are materials which I'll be using to paint my hoodie. This is my hoodie before and I'll be painting only front of the hoodie. I am using this fabric paint and I'm using colour red number 6 and I'll be using 1 jar to paint front of the hoodie. Next, I'm reusing this heart sticker paper. I'm cutting each heart out carefully so I still have a heart shape, and I'm peeling off that sticky layer off and I'm applying on the hoodie. After I have glued all of the hearts on the front of the hoodie, now I will show you a close-up how I paint one of the hearts. After I've finished painting, I'm peeling off that sticker. Before I start painting other hearts, I am adding a plastic sheet inside of the hoodie so the red colour doesn't run on the back side. After I've finished painting the front, I'm removing the stickers of the front and I'm repeating same on both sleeves. And the hood. Now I have finished all of the painting, I will leave it to dry overnight. Last thing what I need to do is to iron my hoodie. My iron is on a high setting. I'm using this cotton cloth and I'm placing that on the top of the hoodie, and I will be ironing each heart for 2 minutes. So this is my hoodie before. And this is my hoodie after. If you have any questions how I painted these hearts, please do comment down below on the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita!